Chapter 7 is a dark and somber part of Animal Farm by George Orwell. The winter proves tough for the animals, and they are running low on food. Even though when humans ask, Squealer insists they have plenty. They are in neglection, and Snowball, the pig who had once been a popular leader along with Napoleon, is blamed for every mishap that happens on the farm. For instance, the windmill the animals were building collapses in a storm. Napoleon argues that Snowball, instead of faulty construction or accident, destroyed it. He tells them that Snowball is a traitor in league with the farmers and instigated by Mr. Jones. Napoleon uses fear as a strategic weapon, claiming that Snowball could arrive at any moment to disrupt their hard labor. This idea grows more ingrained when Napoleon employs the services of a fierce-looking dog to protect him. He even states that Snowball visits the farm at night, and he uses Jessie's and Bluebell's newborn puppies to form a sort of personal bodyguard force. In a public meeting, Napoleon calls out alleged traitors. Animals, without any solid evidence but possibly through manipulation and fear, confess their crimes of conspiring with Snowball. The dogs then attack them, and a great purging takes place. Countless animals are slaughtered. The other animals are horrified. What's happening is a direct contradiction to the sixth commandment on the barn wall. No animal shall kill any other animal. Amid the desperation, the animals take comfort in Beasts of England, their revolutionary song. But Napoleon bans the song, stating the rebellion is over, and as such the song is irrelevant. Squealer explains the ban by saying that the song was the song of the rebellion, but the rebellion is completed now. A new anthem, more reflective of their current situation, is introduced. The chapter ends with the animals laboring to rebuild the windmill through harsh winter conditions. Amidst their low rations of food and the highest degree of manipulation and fear, yet they believe they are free and better off than they were when they were ruled by Mr. Jones. Despite the frequent difficulty to recognize truth from falsehood, the animals keep their faith in the leadership of Napoleon. They believe the ongoing hardship is due to Snowball's sabotage and not the result of Napoleon's leadership. They hope that these difficulties are temporary, and in the future, Animal Farm will be the paradise they originally dreamed of.